How to change your team name on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for fantasy.premierleague.com and you will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, make sure that you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. And now, once you have signed in, tap on the Pick Team option on top of your screen, and here you will be able to view your team name. So, in order to change your team name, simply scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for admin. So, under the admin tab, tap on the team details option you see there, and here, as you can see, your team name. So in order to change your team name, simply tap on the team name text box you see there and then go ahead and start making the changes to your team. Once you are done making the changes, simply tap on the update details option you see there. And with this, as you can see, your team name has been changed successfully. So, this was about how you can change your team name in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.